Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and a new video. Today we're going to be fitting a boot rubber to Lucy. I'll leave a link in the description below to the guy I got it from. It's fairly easy to fit. This is for the later moggies. There is an earlier moggy which is different, so make sure you get the right rubber for the one that you're doing. So it just sits on the channel like so. It's a bit awkward trying to do it one-handed. I didn't bring my tripod with me today. What I'll do, I'll pause here, I'll come back when it's finished. Right, as you can see, there's always a little bit left over. So get a Stanley knife, and just trim the suit. And always make sure that the end bits are always on the bottom and not the top, obviously to stop rainwater from getting in. So I'll cut that off now and I'll come back in a bit. Right, I've cut it to suit. The boot lid, obviously, because the rubber's on there, isn't shutting properly, so I'll probably have to adjust these two bolts here, bring this forward, and then it should lock properly then, but that'll have to be in another video. I haven't got much time today, I've literally just come up to do this rubber. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one.